Today topic is pesticide pollution. Meaning of pesticide. Pesticide is a chemical substance used to kill harmful insects, small animals, wild plants and other unwanted organisms. This means a chemical substance used to destroying insects or other organisms those are harmful to plants, animals and soil. The pesticides that farmers spray on their crops, that is to kill pests, but they can also damage people's health and also affects on environment. Pesticides are affecting on health of the people and also affecting on environment, and this is a type of pollution called pesticide pollution. Definition of pesticide pollution. Pesticides are organic and inorganic chemicals originally invented and first used effectively to better the human environment by controlling undesirable life forms such as bacteria, pests, and foreign insects. Their effectiveness, however, has caused considerable pollution. This means pesticides or chemicals is used to effectively to better the human environment, like they use in crops by farmers used to spray pesticides, and in homes also pesticides are used as disinfects, that is for cleaning. Why pesticides are using means, that is to kill bacteria, pests and insects. These pesticides effectiveness may cause pesticide pollution. Pesticide effectiveness means if it uses in more amount it causes pesticide pollution. Pesticides are a cause of pollution affecting land and water in particular. The problem is huge and growing. Pesticide pollution has found in nearly everywhere in the river, lake and land. Pesticides are major sources are causing land and water pollution. How pesticide pollution affects air, water and soil. Pesticides contribute to air pollution. Contribute means bring about or causing, means how it is causing air pollution. When there is a pesticide drift, drift means carried slowly by air. That means pesticide is carrying slowly by air and they get to the suspended in the air and move when wind blows. It potentially pollutes the air. This type of air pollution by pesticide is dangerous for plants and animals. This means it is the pesticides are polluting air also. If air pollution occurs, that is dangerous for plants and animals. Next, contributes to tropospheric ozone. Contributes means how it is causing tropospheric ozone. As a result, pesticides sprayed on fields to disinfect soil can produce chemicals called volatile organic compounds. This means pesticides sprayed on fields, those chemicals called volatile organic compounds. These compounds tend to react with other chemicals and create a pollutant known as tropospheric ozone. Tropospheric ozone is nothing but it is created by chemical reaction between other chemicals means oxides or nitrogen, and it is chemical reaction between nitrogen and volatile organic compounds, and that creates a ozone known as tropospheric ozone, and that is also dangerous for the living beings. Contamination of water bodies. Researchers in the United Kingdom show that the concentration in the pesticides is too much from samples taken from some rivers and groundwater, and for this reason no longer fit for drinking. That means if pesticides contaminates water, that may be groundwater or maybe river water, and that is not safe drinking for human beings and for aquatic life and also for animals, and this water is not only safe for the animals and also for the plants. Next, killing of aquatic life. And when the chemicals in the pesticides reach water bodies, they are absorbed or ingested by aquatic life forms such as fish, aquatic life such as fish, leading to oxygen failure in the fishes, and that might cause disease in the fishes and eventually killing them also. This means pesticides are dangerous to the aquatic life, means mostly for the fishes. Now we discussed how pesticide pollution affecting air, water and soil or land. Fatal effects of pesticides on human health and on the environment. Causes diseases which can be chronic. Contact with pesticides can happen in lot of ways. It can be through agricultural activities, by treating crops, planting, and in grain stores. Pesticides, therefore, can result in dangerous and deadly consequences even after one sole consumption, breathing, or contact with the skin. There are even symptoms that can manifest shortly after coming into contact with the chemicals. This means pesticides are dangerous for the human life. Those are causing some of the diseases. Here we are seeing some of the symptoms may be in the form of some symptoms they may get by contacting with pesticides. Those are coughing, sore throat, and irritation in the respiratory tract, sensitiveness to the chemicals, irritation in the eyes and skin, feeling of nausea. Nausea means vomiting sensation, queasiness and diarrhea. Next, losing consciousness and headaches, and feeling extremely weak and convulsions. These may be some of the symptoms which may cause by contacting with pesticides. Next, there are toxic to animals, both wild and domestic. Here, pesticides are toxic, may be poisonous for animals, wild and domestic animals. Alternatively, the ones that are fat soluble get into animals' bodies through by amplification or by magnifications. This means the chemicals get soaked up in the fatty tissues of animals, in consequence, causing perseverance of pesticides in the food chain for prolonged periods of life. Perseverance means presence of pesticides for long time. Presence of pesticide for long time that might cause dangerous for animals. This means presence of pesticides by animals in the fatty tissues which they take from food, and this may cause dangerous for animals. Next, pesticides are poisonous to fish species. When water has been polluted, creates a great danger to animals and organisms living in water by reducing the amount of oxygen available. This means pesticide in the water causes reducing amount of oxygen available in the water. That creates dangers to the animals and organisms living in the water. తెలుగులో రసాయనిక ఎరువులు, క్రిమి సంహారక మందుల కాలుష్యం. 1965లో వ్యవసాయ రంగంలో ఆహార ధాన్యాలలో దిగుబడి సాధించడానికి హరిత విప్లవం ప్రవేశపెట్టారు. రసాయనిక ఎరువులు, క్రిమి సంహారక మందులు ఎక్కువగా ఉపయోగించడం వల్ల పొలాలలో మిగిలిపోయిన ఈ మందులు నేల, నీరు మొదలగు అంశాలను కలుషితం చేయడాన్ని రసాయనిక ఎరువులు లేదా క్రిమి సంహారక మందుల కాలుష్యం అంటారు. ఈ రసాయనాలు వర్షాకాలంలో భూమి నుండి కొట్టుకొని పోయి సరస్సులు, నదులు, సముద్రాలలో చేరుతాయి. దీనివలన నీటి కాలుష్యం ఏర్పడుతుంది. ఈ నీటిని మానవ, జంతుజాలం ఉపయోగించుకోవడం వలన అనేక అనారోగ్యాలకు దారితీస్తుంది. దీనినే రసాయనిక ఎరువులు లేదా క్రిమి సంహారక మందుల కాలుష్యం అంటారు. ఇంగ్లీష్లో పెస్టిసైడ్ పొల్యూషన్. Here I am giving video of pesticide pollution.